it together. Hold it together. Oh, thank goodness you're here.
Heard you got a toilet issue. Where's your bathroom? Okay then. Wow. What a real mess. Blech. I was called for a simple issue? Pathetic. Not so simple after all. Oh. I wanna be like you, big brother. Aw, little rascal.
I'm sorry. This is what's all that's left of him. Brother, I will honor your legacy, no matter the cost!
Look, Lottie, that woman was a lost cause anyway.
I just wish I knew sooner. Great Guinness, you did it! Let me give you a tip, Mr. Frog.
No need. Oh, I'm not a frog. I'm a